Alright, we're under the back of a Honda Pilot. This should follow for most of this body style. It is kind of a common thing on these. So, right here's the back bumper. There's the tow hook on the driver's side. If you see the subframe there is starting to rust. If we come over to this side, the passenger side, also starting to rust out. Pretty bad. And then where the rear subframe bolts up on the passenger side is not hateful. The driver's side isn't fully broke, but it's pretty close. I haven't looked at the front section of the rear subframe, but these Pilots were kind of known for it.